Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we create this tuber model in NX Type. You see the detail drawing. The tuber's diameter is 10 mm. Okay, let's start. First, we need to create the maze gauge. Then we select YZ plane and create an arc. Constrain this pointer on X. Then we need to create a reference, a line, hide a line. The angle 60 and sorry, $80. Okay, finish. The distance, we can 180. So 100 is magic value. Oh, okay. Next, we need a edge blend 20 and this 20. Okay, we finish it. So next we need to create the surface and select tuber. Select tangent code, diameter 10 mm, and select a single segment. Okay. Hide the delete or delete the body. Use it quickly finishing the model. Change appraise. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.